How to legally pay 0% tax by moving abroad. What if I told you that paying zero income tax, legally, isn't just for billionaires? Digital nomads, remote workers, and online entrepreneurs around the world are doing it right now. In this video, we'll unpack exactly how to pay 0% income tax by changing your tax residency. We'll show you which countries allow it, how to exit your current tax system properly, what business structures to use, and how to live freely and legally without giving half your paycheck to the government. What is tax residency? Tax residency is the country where you're legally required to pay income tax. It's usually based on physical presence, but also on your job, home, family, and financial connections. The 183-day rule is the standard in most countries. If you're physically present for more than half the year, you're a resident. But in places like the UK, even fewer days can count if you own property or work there. Bottom line, to escape taxes, you need to officially exit your current tax residency and establish a new one elsewhere. Top countries where you pay 0% income tax. Let's look at countries where residents pay zero personal income tax. UAE, Dubai and Abu Dhabi, no income tax, no dividend or capital gains tax. Entrepreneur-friendly, offers remote work and golden visas. Bahamas, beautiful, stable, and zero tax. But you'll need to invest in local real estate. Monaco, glamorous and tax-free, but with sky-high living costs and housing requirements. Vanuatu, remote, fast-track residency programs, and crypto-friendly. Bermuda, Qatar, Kuwait, also tax-free, though lifestyle and cost vary. Territorial tax countries like Panama, Costa Rica, and Georgia only tax local income. If your money comes from outside their borders, it's usually tax-free. Real case study, UK freelancer. Sarah is a UK-based freelancer making £80,000 per year. She's tired of paying £26,000 plus in taxes. She moves to Dubai, sets up a free zone company, and becomes a UAE resident. By cutting ties to the UK and registering properly in the UAE, she pays £0 in income tax. After 3 years, that's £78,000 saved, legally. She reinvests the money, grows her business, and lives in a modern apartment near the marina, all while keeping more of her income. Residency options, pick what suits you. Digital nomad visas, ideal for remote workers. Offered by countries like Portugal, Costa Rica, and Barbados. Golden visas, require investment, often in real estate or government bonds. Portugal, Spain, UAE all have options. Remote work visas in the UAE, simple process if you earn around $5,000 per month and work for a company abroad. How to legally exit your current tax residency. Inform your tax authority in the UK, file a P85 form to declare you're no longer a resident. Cut ties, sell or rent out property, close utility bills, end insurance and local services. Limit visits, don't spend enough days in your old country to trigger tax residency. Beware of exit taxes, countries like Canada and Germany may tax you on assets when you leave. Bank smart, open local and offshore accounts where your new residency is legally recognized. Common tax pitfalls to avoid. Maintaining family or property ties back home can trigger tax obligations. Forgetting to file exit documents may keep you on the tax radar. Using mismatched company structures, like a UAE residency with a UK-registered company, can create double taxation. Business structures that work. To truly optimize taxes, align your business with your residency. UAE Free Zone Company, 100% foreign ownership, 0% corporate tax, no audits. Panama IBC, great for international service businesses. Estonian e-residency, low-cost digital company setup. Corporate tax only when you withdraw profits. Flag theory, the wealth blueprint. High net worth individuals use this simple but powerful setup. Citizenship in a flexible or low-tax country. Residency in a tax-free or low-tax jurisdiction. Business in a country with easy regulations. Banking in a stable financial center like Switzerland or Singapore. Lifestyle wherever is affordable, fun, and safe. This creates layers of protection, flexibility, and freedom. Rapid-fire FAQ. Is this legal? Yes. You're moving and declaring it properly. Do I need to speak a new language? Not in places like Dubai or Panama. Can I do this if I have kids? Yes, though schools and healthcare access may factor into where you choose. Do I need to give up my passport? No. You're changing tax residency, not citizenship. Paying 0% income tax legally is more accessible than ever. The key is to plan, cut old ties, establish new ones, and stay informed. In our next Rich Layer video, we're doing a step-by-step breakdown of how people in the UK are moving to Dubai and dropping their tax bills to zero. Subscribe now and follow Rich Layer on Instagram so you never miss the smart strategies the wealthy use to build freedom.